Hello guys, this is Michael Sky and I am in the car right now. I am joined by my dad right here. So now we just ate and we just done shopping, but now we're still in the car waiting on this truck. So I'm about to head home. Yep. So, oh, look at that beautiful ocean right there. It's so beautiful. Anyways, yeah, I'm on my way home, and now we just stopped for some reason. Stop for some reason. But anyways, I'm here. So, I'm on my way home. And now we're turning, and now we're going back the same exact way. So, this is a really good necklace. That's another shot. There you go. Take a look at it. But anyways, I'm rich. I'm just kidding. But, well, come on in, buddy. Buddy. So, I'm not really on my way home, but still, I'm living right behind me. And it looks like a car is a toys on our tail. But still. So, this is my first time doing a vlogging video. So, this could be really appreciated. This is the end of this vlogging video. I could do more, and it's really appreciated. I think that you could do a really big fat thumbs up for 1 million likes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this is a really short one, but I'll come up with some more vlogging videos. So, I hope you enjoyed. Get a big fat thumbs up. So, yep, that's all for this video. Bye!